G'day everyone. Thought today I'll give you a little bit of a rundown on our BMPRO SmartSense product. Got a couple here. We're going to unbox them in just a minute, show you how they connect up. They're a great little product. They're designed to be able to tell you how much gas is left in the bottom of your bottle so that you don't run out of gas just before you're about to jump into a barbecue or a camping scene, whatever it may be. All right, so there's two ones I've got here. There's the premium, which has got two devices inside, and the standard SmartSense, which has just got one device inside. All right, let's get into unboxing it. All right, here we go. We're going to unbox the SmartSense. So that's the one that's got the single device inside it. All right, so pretty simple on the inside. We've got one SmartSense device, and we've also got a small tube of the grease, which I'll explain why we're going to use the grease a little bit later on. But it's basically to help provide a better signal in bouncing back the ultrasonic signal up through the gas bottle. So there's your SmartSense device. On the back of it, probably got a sticker. Just take that off and discard that. On the front here, we've got an orange button, and we're going to rapidly press that 6 times. What that does is that takes it out of factory mode. All right, there we go. So we've taken that out of factory mode now. Now we need to assemble it onto the gas bottle so it can then detect, and we've also got to download the app and connect it to the app. So the idea of what the SmartSense does is we connect it to the bottom of the gas bottle, and ultrasonically it sends a signal up through the top of the gas bottle, and via that we can measure how much gas is left in the bottle. Now what that does from there is via Bluetooth, that'll transmit that to a free app that you can put onto your phone. Apple or Android, it doesn't matter either way. So next we're going to download the app and get it set up. Install. Okay, then we open the app. Location services are not enabled, so you need to have location services enabled in order for this to work. So you need to go into your settings and set up location services and make sure that's on. Now, just with this device, you see you've got the orange button here, which is your connect button. So you can press that button once and it will automatically go into pairing mode. All right, so we've now found a new device on our screen here. Tap into that. You can see the signal strength is good. The battery's 100%. We've got a poor quality at the moment because it's not connected to a gas bottle. And we can go into the settings here and we type what region, so we can name the device to start with. We can put in the tank region, select that, and we need to choose the gas bottle size. So we've got two sizes for Australia. We've got the 8.5 9 kilo bottle, or we've got the 3.5 kilo. You can display it, choose to display it in percentages, centimeters, etc., and you can put thresholds on for when you want to receive your notifications. All right, so we've done the product unbox and we've also put the app onto our phone. Next stage, let's grab our gas bottle and we'll install our SmartSense onto the bottom of it. All right, so the first step is turn the bottle upside down. Make sure that there's nice and clear down the bottom here on the bottom of the bottle. Chipped paint and things like that will cause a bit of interference, but a brand new bottle like we've got here now doesn't really require anything else, and it's not going to require the grease, but you can put the grease on as an extra measure. Okay, so the grease is designed to go onto the little rubber silicone pad here on the reverse side of it. Just put 1 or 2 drops onto it, and that will help to facilitate the ultrasonic signal as it bounces through the bottom of the steel bottle and up in through the gas. Okay, so what we want to do now, 2 magnets, super strong magnets, very, very hard to shake them off. It's easy to leverage and pull off, but to shake off we've found them extremely difficult, so they do stay on very well. This sensor here is the sensor I was describing before that sends the signal up. So we want to position that as close to the bottom of the bottle as possible. So in this case, it's roughly around here. I'm going to fix it like that. So that's what it would look like on the bottom of our bottle. All right, turn our gas bottle back up and we'll dive back into the app and we'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now we've connected the bottle up. You can see this one's approximately 91%. At the moment it's on a timber decking, so it likes to be on a good solid ground. We've got a poor quality signal here, a quality of measurement. We've got good signal, and sometimes you get this warning that comes up down the bottom here that tells you that your sensor's not properly installed. The other thing to remember as well is give it 5 to 10 minutes for the gas to actually settle down inside the bottle. When the gas is sloshing around, you'll find that you can get an incorrect measurement. So give it 5 or 10 minutes just to settle and put it onto a nice solid flat ground, and you'll find you get a great signal. All right, so there you go. We've done the unbox of the product, we've installed the app onto the mobile phone, and now we've installed the SmartSense device to the bottom of the gas bottle. Now that's all that's left for you is to go and enjoy the barbecue. Enjoy.